G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Stitch Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows the open spider crossing element from month 5. Starting with the incoming pins being worked in half stitch, pin, half stitch. Cross stitch the left incoming pairs, cross, twist, cross. Repeat on the right with cross, twist, cross. Cross stitch the centre 2 pairs, cross, twist, cross. Cross stitch the left 2 pairs, cross stitch the right 2 pairs, pin, cross stitch the centre 2 pairs, cross stitch the outgoing 2 left pairs, cross stitch the right 2 pairs and lay them aside for the moment while we work the next left spider. Continue working cross stitch with the 2 left incoming pairs, the centre 2 pairs, the left 2 pairs, the right 2 pairs, tension, put up the pin and tension again, the centre 2 pairs, tension, the left 2 pairs and add 2 twists on the left pairs. Let's anchor the 2 left pairs to the outside pins with half stitch, pin, half stitch. Cross stitch the right 2 pairs and lay aside. Now that we have done 2 of these open spiders, work the right one in the same manner. Incoming, centre, left, right, pin, centre, left, right, add 2 twists on the right pairs. Anchor the 2 right pairs with half stitch, pin, half stitch. The last open spider is worked in the same cross stitch sequence. Centre, left, right, pin, centre, left, right, add 2 twists to all 4 pairs. Work the closing pins with half stitch, pin, half stitch.